Welcome class, Section Delta, Section Hotel, Section Kilo, Section India, third year class, in dispute resolution and crisis incident management. This is your part 3 in chapter 5 in international commercial arbitration topic. Okay. We discussed many things in the part 2. Okay. The conduct of arbitral, the venue, the determination of procedures, the commencements of proceedings, the languages to be used, the claims and defense, and how hearing and written proceedings, the default of the party and appointment of arbitral tribunal, and court assistance in taking evidence, and other many rules that is based in Republic Act 9285. Okay. Today we discuss about the forum and its contents of award, termination of proceedings, how is the arbitral proceedings terminated, when should the arbitral issue an order or termination. Okay, the question about what must the court do upon application for setting aside an award. The question of what are the grounds of to vacate an arbitral award, and correction and interpretation of award and additional award. Application for setting aside is exclusive course against arbitral award, and what may be the parties do when parties to award or set aside an award to be paid. We discussed that in part 3 of this video. This video is until part 4, and your part 4 is your quiz. Okay, this is the last discussion we tackle. Okay, proceeding to the discussion. Forum and contents of award. The arbitrator or arbitrators must sign the award in writing. In cases where there are more than one arbitrator, the signatures of the majority of all members of the arbitrator tribunal are enough, as long as the reason for any missing signatures is given. If the parties have agreed that no reason should be given, or if the award is one made on agreed terms under paragraph A, article 4.20, place of arbitration, the reason must be written in the award. The award shall state its date and place of arbitration as determined in accordance with paragraph A of this article. The award shall be deemed to have been made at the place. After the award is made, a copy of signed by the arbitrator in accordance with paragraph A of this article shall be delivered to each party. Article 4.31 IRR Republic Act 9285. Termination of proceedings. According to the paragraph B of this article, the arbitral proceedings come to an end with a final award or by an arbitral tribunal order. The arbitral tribunal shall issue an order for the termination of the arbitral proceedings when the claimant withdraw its claim unless the respondent objects thereto and the arbitral tribunal recognize a legitimate interest on his or her its part in obtaining a final settlement of the dispute. The parties agreed the termination of the proceedings. The arbitral tribunal finds that the continuation of the proceedings has for any other reason become unnecessary or impossible. The mandate of the arbitral tribunal ends with the termination of the arbitral proceedings subject to the provision of the Article 4.33 4.33 Corrections and Interpretation of Award as Additional Award. In paragraph D of Article 4.34, application for setting aside an exclusive recourse against arbitral award. Notwithstanding the foregoing, the arbitral tribunal award or order a hearing to quantity cost and determine which party shall bear the cost or the division thereof. As may be determined to equitable pending determination of the issue, the award shall not be deemed final for the purpose of appeal, vacation, correction, or any post-award. Proceedings, Article 4.32, IR Republic of 9285. How is the arbitral proceedings terminated? The arbitration proceedings are terminated by the final award or by order of the arbitral tribunal in accordance with paragraph B of this Article 5, Chapter 3, IR Republic Act 9285. Articles 5.32, paragraph B, IR Republic Act 9285. When should the arbitral issue an order of termination? The arbitral tribunal shall issue an order for the termination of the arbitration proceedings when the claimant withdraws his claims unless the respondent objects thereto for the purpose of prosecuting his counterclaims in the same proceedings. Of the arbitral tribunal recognize a legitimate interest on his part in obtaining a final settlement of the dispute. The parties agree on the termination of the proceedings, or the arbitral tribunal finds that the continuation of the proceeding has for any other reason before unnecessary or impossible, or the required deposits are not paid in full in accordance with paragraph D of Article 5.46, Fees and Cards, Article 5.32, paragraph B, IRR Republic Act 9285. What must the court do upon application for setting aside an award? The court, when asked to set aside an award, may, where appropriate and so requested by the party, suspend the setting aside proceedings for the period of time determined by it is in order to give the arbitral tribunal an opportunity to resume arbitral proceedings, to take such other actions as in arbitral tribunal opinion will eliminate the grounds for setting aside an award. Article 5.34, IR Republic of 9285. What are the grounds to vacate arbitral award? Ano po yung mga grounds na yun? An arbitral award may be questioned, vacated, or set aside by the appropriate court in accordance with the special ADR rules on the following grounds. Ito po yung mga grounds. The arbitral award was procured by corruption, fraud, on other undue means. Number 2, there was evident partiality or corruption in the arbitral tribunal or any of its members. Number 3, the arbitral tribunal was guilty of misconduct in any form of misbehavior that has materially prejudiced and rights of the parties, such as refusing to postpone the hearing upon sufficient cause shown to her evidence pertinent and materials to be controversy. One or more of the arbitrators was disqualified to act as such under the chapter and willfully refrain from disclosing such disqualification. The arbitral tribunal exceeds its power also imperfectly execute them, such as the complete, final, and defined award upon the subject matter submitted to it was not made. Any other ground raised for questions, vacate and set aside the arbitral award shall be disregarded by the court in Article 5.35, Paragraph A, IRR Republic Act 9285. Corrections and interpretation of award. Additional award. Unless the parties have agreed to different time frame within 30 days to receiving the award, the party may, with notice to the other party, request the arbitral tribunal to correct in the award any errors in computation, any clerical or topographical errors, or any errors or similar nature. A party may so agreed by the parties and with notice to the other party request the arbitral tribunal to give an interpretation of a specific point or part of the award. If the arbitral tribunal consider the request to be justified, it shall make the correction to give the interpretation within 30 days from the receipt of the request. The interpretation shall form part of the award. The arbitral tribunal may correct any error or the type referred to in paragraph A this article on its own initiative within 30 days from the date of the award, unless otherwise agreed by the parties. A party may, with notice to the other party request with 30 days, receive the award, the arbitral tribunal to make an additional award as to claims presented in arbitral proceedings but omitted from the award. If the arbitral tribunal considers the request to be justified, it shall make the additional award within 60 days. In case it's needed, the arbitral tribunal can extend the time it has to make a new award or the correct interpretation under paragraph A and B of this article. The provision of Article 4.31, form and contents of award shall apply to the correction of interpretation of the award or the additional award. Article 4.33, IRR Republic Act 9285. Application for setting aside an exclusive course against tribunal award. Recourse to a court against arbitral award may be made only by application for setting aside in accordance with second and third paragraphs of this article. An arbitral award may be set aside by the regional trial court only if the party making the application furnish proof that a party to arbitration agreement was under some incapacity or the said agreement it is not valid under the law to which the parties have subjected it, or failing any indication thereon. The law of the Philippines or the party making the application was not given proper notice of the appointment or an arbitrator or the arbitral proceedings, or was otherwise unable to present this case, or the award deals with dispute not contemplated by or not failing within the terms of the submission or arbitration, or contains decisions on matters beyond the scope of the submissions of arbitration, provided that if the decision on the matter submitted to arbitrations can be separated from those not submitted, only the part of the award which contains decisions on matters not submitted to arbitration may be set aside, or the composition of the arbitral tribunal or arbitral procedure was not in accordance with the agreement of the parties, unless this agreement was in conflict with the provision of ADR Act, from which the parties cannot derogate, or failing such agreement was not in accordance with ADR Act, or the court finds that the subject matter of the dispute is not capable of settlement by arbitration under the law of the Philippines, or the award is in conflict with the public policy of the Philippines. An application for setting aside may not be made after 3 months have elapsed from the date of which the party making the application had received the award, or if the request has been made under the Article 4.33, corrections and interpretation of award, additional award, from the date on which that request has been disposed or by arbitral tribunal. The court, when asked to set aside an award, may, where appropriate and so requested by an party, suspend the setting aside proceeding for a period of time determined by it in order to give the arbitration tribunal an opportunity to resume the arbitral proceedings to take such other actions as in the arbitral tribunal opinion would eliminate the grounds for setting aside. A party may bring a petition under the article before the court in accordance with Special ADR Rules Article 4.34 IRR Republic Act 9285. Question: what may the parties do when a petition to award or set aside an award is filed? Where a petition to vacate or set aside an award is filed, the petitioner may simultaneously or oppositor may in alternative petition the court to remit the case to the same arbitral tribunal for the purpose of making a new or revised final or definite award, or to direct a new hearing before the same or new arbitral tribunal, the members of which shall be chosen in a manner of originally provided in arbitration agreement or submission. In the latter case, any provision limiting the time in which the arbitral tribunal may make a decision shall be deemed applicable to the new arbitral tribunal and to commence from the date of the court's order. Article 5.35, Paragraph B, IR Republic Act 9285. Another question: where a party files a petition with the court to vacate or set aside an award by reason or omission, what do not affect the merits of the case and may be cured or remedied? What may be the adverse party do? Answer is, where a party files a petition or with the court to vacate or set aside an award by reason or omission that do not affect the merit of the case and may be cured or remedied, the adverse party may oppose the petition and instead of request the court to suspend the vacation or setting aside the proceedings for the period of time to give the arbitral tribunal an opportunity to cure or remedy the award or resume the arbitration proceedings or to take such other actions as would eliminate the grounds for vacation or setting aside in Article 5.35 Paragraph C Republic Act 9285. This is your part 3 of the video out of 4. Thank you for cooperating, listening, watching this lecture. Thank you.